More news coming in. Back home, Lalu Yadav in court for land for job scam matter. Lalu and family are in court for framing of the charges. Lalu Yadav, Tejasvi Yadav and Rabdi Devi plead not guilty. Lalu was accused, remember, for grabbing land for jobs in his capacity as the railway minister. Former Bihar Chief Ministers Lalu Yadav and also wife Rabdi Devi have reached the Rouse Avenue Court in Delhi for formal framing of charges in the land for jobs scam case. Earlier, the court had directed framing of charges against Lalu Yadav and others. Tejasvi Yadav and others had pleaded not guilty. Today, Lalu Yadav, Rabdi Devi also plead not guilty. I'm going to go across to Shrishti Oja for the very latest on that story at this point in time. Shrishti, this is the opportunity for the Yadavs to plead not guilty, but the fact is that all indications as far as this case is concerned that there was wrongdoing on the part of the former railway minister during his tenure, of course with the involvement of almost the entire family in this case.
Well, yes, Neha, as we know today, Lalu Prasad Yadav and Rabdi Devi, both of whom are accused in the land for jobs scam case, which is being probed by the CBI, appeared before Delhi's Rouse Avenue court. Earlier, the court had framed corruption and criminal conspiracy charges against Lalu Yadav and several of his family members and some other accused. We have seen earlier Tejasvi Yadav had appeared before the court and pleaded not guilty. Today, Lalu Yadav and Rabdi Devi also pleaded not guilty before court and decided to proceed further with the trial. Now, it's a very crucial development and a crucial stage in this case because now the trial in the land for jobs scam case will begin. Trial in a case which which involves very serious allegations against Lalu Yadav. And it's very crucial because remember, the court in a prima facie manner had observed that while framing charges that there was in fact a criminal enterprise and a criminal syndicate which was being run by Lalu Yadav and his family members as far as giving railway jobs in exchange for land is concerned. So once the trial proceeds further, it will be crucial to see what the court ultimately decides as far as these serious allegations against Mr. Yadav and his family is concerned. Back to you.
Talk to us, Shrishti, for our viewers about this particular case and during the tenure of Lalu Yadav as the railway minister, UPA era 1. What exactly was the alleged wrongdoing here? What more can you tell us, even as we stay with these pictures of the Yadavs in Rouse Avenue Court?
Well, the allegations put forth by the CBI is that during Lalu Yadav's tenure as a railway minister between 2004 to 9, several Group D jobs were given to candidates in return for land parcels, which were transferred to his family members at throwaway prices. Now, as far as framing of charges is concerned, the court, while framing corruption and conspiracy charges against them, had said that there is, based on reasonable doubt, there's enough evidence to have a prima facie observation that there was, in fact, a criminal enterprise and a syndicate that was being run by Mr. Yadav and his family as far as giving these jobs is concerned. He said that they were part of an overarching conspiracy where they used public employment as sort of a leverage to acquire properties independent of their official positions. Remember, there are multiple accused in this case. Around charges were framed around against 46 of the accused, including Lalu Prasad Yadav and his family members. Now, with all of the accused having appeared before the court and pleaded not guilty and decided to proceed further with the trial will now begin. There will be examination. Lalu Yadav and his family members will have to come before court and give their statements. After the entire trial procedure is completed, we know what the court decides with regard to whether or not Lalu Yadav and his family members should be convicted of the allegations or should be acquitted. And that would be a very, very important a decision even for Lalu Yadav and his family, because as I mentioned earlier, the allegations that have been put forth by CBI against Mr. Yadav and his family members are extremely serious, that he misused his position as a railway minister to get benefit and even monetary advantage in terms of land properties, not just for himself, but also his family members. Back to you.
I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Shrishti Oja getting in those details at this point in time. Lalu Yadav along with Tejasvi Yadav, Rabdi Devi are in Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court. Of course, the accusation and this case has got to do with the land for jobs scam during the tenure of Lalu Yadav as the railway minister between 2004 and 9, like Shrishti was telling us.